Late 2025 saw a massive gold rush on YouTube and TikTok. Creators were spinning up brand new channels, posting simple AI-generated floor renovation videos, and hitting millions of views in a matter of days. That entire ecosystem relied on one massive loophole: Grok's highly generous free tier. Anyone with an internet connection could prompt their way to continuous, high-quality video generation without spending a single cent. Then, practically overnight, that loophole closed. The free tier was wiped out, leaving thousands of creators locked out of their workflows and flooding social media with panic. The first reason for the shutdown comes down to raw math. Video generation requires massive processing power, known as compute overhead. By opening the floodgates to the public, XAI was bleeding money to cover the server costs of millions of free requests. The era of frictionless, zero-cost AI video generation is officially over. If you want to run an automated content channel today, your old business model is broken, and you have to rebuild it from the ground up. But server costs were only part of the equation. In January 2026, the platform faced a severe safety crisis when users exploited the system to flood the internet with non-consensual deepfakes. The fallout was immediate. World leaders, including UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer, publicly condemned the technology, demanding platforms tightly restrict access to stop the abuse. The European Commission quickly moved to open formal investigations. The threat of sweeping national bans and massive financial penalties became a very real, very immediate problem for the company. Faced with these severe regulatory crackdowns, Elon Musk and the executive team pulled the plug. Image and video generation were stripped from the free tier and locked behind paid subscriptions with strict supervised quotas, which leaves creators with a difficult choice. You either pay with your wallet to access a premium, streamlined ecosystem, or you pay with your time by navigating a fragmented maze of free workarounds. Surviving in this landscape means looking closely at your daily output and understanding the exact trade-offs between cash and workflow friction. Let's look at this comparison matrix breaking down the new XAI pricing structure. There are 5 different tiers causing confusion, but for video creators, we only need to focus on these 3. First is X Premium Plus at $40 a month. This tier bundles AI access with social media perks like a blue checkmark, ad-free browsing, and creator monetization. It is built strictly for people who live on the platform. If you don't care about Twitter perks, there's the standalone Super Grok tier for $30 a month. This strips away the social features and gives you pure AI access, saving you $120 a year. For that $30, XAI promises unlimited access to their flagship Grok 4 model and the Aurora image and video engine. But that word unlimited comes with a major asterisk. Heavy users report hitting strict soft caps and severe throttling after 50 to 100 rapid video generations in a single day. For operations that exceed those caps, there is Super Grok Heavy. At $300 a month, it is designed for enterprise-scale output, giving you access to advanced reasoning models and a massive allowance of 500 video renders per day. Ultimately, a subscription buys you convenience and a unified workflow. But if you choose to pay, you need to match your subscription exactly to your real daily output, so you don't burn cash on capacity you aren't using. If your budget is strictly zero, you have to look outside the XAI ecosystem. Right now, the most capable free alternatives are what we call the Eastern loopholes, powerful models like Tencent's Wenyan and Baidu. The upside to these corporate platforms is enormous. They produce highly realistic cinematic motion, offering near unlimited video generation without charging a dime. But getting that free access requires severe administrative friction. Many of these tools are region-locked, meaning you have to use a VPN, a virtual private network that routes your internet connection through a different country to mask your real location, just to load the website. Once you're in, you'll likely have to rely on browser translation extensions to navigate the menus, and you'll spend a lot of time cycling through multiple email accounts to bypass daily usage limits. You also have to accept the inherent instability of this method. These corporate loopholes are not guaranteed features. They can be patched, restricted, or entirely blocked at a moment's notice. If you want the highest quality for free, the Eastern models deliver. Just know the cost involves massive administrative headaches and accepting data privacy risks. The final option is to build a freemium stack using Western tools. This means stringing together the free tiers of platforms like Luma, Pika, and Flaw AI to create a complete video. Instead of a unified workflow, you have to bounce between entirely different websites. Generate your base image, use Pika for motion, then Flaw AI for lip syncing. This route comes with severe technical constraints. Most of these free tiers enforce a hard cap of 4 to 5 seconds per clip, making narrative storytelling an exhausting process of stitching tiny fragments together. Worse, these platforms automatically apply mandatory watermarks to all free outputs, immediately signaling to viewers that you are using budget tools. And to produce any meaningful volume of content, you have to manage a spreadsheet of multiple Google accounts just to refresh your daily credit limits across each individual site. The Western stack is definitely safer and more accessible than offshore alternatives. However, the disjointed workflow and permanent watermarks make it very difficult to build real professional authority for your channel. This flowchart maps out exactly how to decide your next move. What is your primary bottleneck? A lack of capital or a lack of time? If you have $0, follow the budget path down to the Eastern loopholes and Flaw AI stack. You will need to endure the friction of VPNs and translation tools to get high-quality video without Western watermarks. Platform administration isn't just a hurdle anymore. It's now a core part of your daily job. If you are building a serious content business and value workflow efficiency, follow the time and friction path to the $30 Super Grok tier. For the mid-tier creator, the hours saved by not juggling 5 different platforms and offshore VPNs will immediately pay for the base subscription cost. Finally, there is the path for the high-end professional or agency owner looking at that massive $300 heavy tier. Avoid this tier completely unless your business mathematically requires more than 500 renders every single day to sustain a monetized pipeline. For 99% of creators, the standard $30 tier is the absolute point of diminishing returns. Paying more won't make your videos any better. The barrier to entry has officially been raised. Building a profitable content moat now demands a strict operational strategy, moving past the days of simple prompting. Operating in the free AI video niche is now a grueling administrative job. Deciding exactly how to pay for your compute, either in cash or in labor, is the first true test of your business acumen in 2026. Adapting to these new costs is the only way to avoid being pushed out of the niche entirely. Free AI video is no longer an accessible novelty. It is a serious business decision.